final step in preparation for test, which can be done at the site or at the warehouse, is prepare the report header. Selecting reports, we have the option to set up the settings. In this case, the contractor name, being the contractor who does the work, can be entered. His details, which would be the point of contact for this contractor, is set up such that if there are questions in the future, the correct person with all the information can be contacted, and typically you want to provide every possible way that it can be done. You may also, to make your reports look more professional, select a contractor logo. By pressing the contractor logo, we're going to go to Windows Explorer. In this case, we've saved the contractor's logo into our public pictures. By inserting the logo, we'll be able to put this on each page of the report details. When we go back, we also now set up the site. By putting the cursor in the site entry box, we'll come to a new screen that includes all the details. In this particular case, the site name should be selected from the work order. Many operators use specific names and numbers, so I'm going to just make up, again, a site name. You'll want this to match your work order such that you know which site you're talking about, and all related files can be tied together. The operator in this case is not the operator for whom you're doing the work, but the individual who is actually doing the work for the site. This person will be the person that is reached out to by the point of contact to get clarification to see what was happening in that particular case. Often again, you want enough detail that you can determine who did the data on what particular date. The location will be the site location, again taken from the work order. It could be entered as a street address or as GPS coordinates if that's appropriate. The city, the state, etc. are often useful to, again, give us traceability back to what the work was done. If it's the initial visit, it might be appropriate to indicate that such that you know what's going to happen. You might also indicate PIM testing is all that might be done. Again, it's an opportunity for you to have information in the report that allows review of the report without having to go through a lot of extra detail. By selecting OK, you'll see that it puts the minimum amount of information there. We're going to take a quick measurement of the PIM source in order to show what the report would look like. We turn on the RF briefly. We do not need to leave it on for this particular exercise. Once the record icon has become accessible, we can hit the record button and turn off the RF. When we go into the report, the pass-fail line will indicate that the PIM source was measured and failed as was expected. And now we can select to save the report. An automatic file name will be generated, and so we'll save that. Additionally, after saving the report, we can create a PDF, which when using a controlling device we can preview so that we can see what is generated and what the final report will look like. This will take a moment as the IPA processes the data that's been entered to create a report. The larger number of entries, the larger number of graphics, the longer the report takes. It creates a PDF and a web page. It gives you all the capability to expand the width, to save it, or to print it out. In this particular case, we're just going to view it. You can see here that again, Acme Communications did the work. Joe Pim is the contact person, and you can reach out to him by email or phone if you need to have questions answered about this specific site. Under the comment section, which is an initial visit, we're just testing the alpha sector. The site location, again, should match the information on the work order. Data was taken, and the report is complete. We can go back again and cancel out